Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. So let's get started the video without wasting any time. Solution 1. Forget and repair the Bluetooth device. For that, open the settings menu on your OS device. In settings menu, tap on Bluetooth. Here look for the device you want to unpair in the list. Tap on info button next to your Bluetooth device. Then tap on forget this device at the top. Now again tap on forget device at the bottom. Wait for few seconds, then repair your device again. Solution 2. Software update. For that, open the settings menu on your OS device. In settings menu, tap on general. Here tap on software update. Here check that if an update is showing here, then update it. Solution 3. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your OS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. Then scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then select reset. Here select reset network settings in the pop-up menu. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Here tap on reset network settings to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 4. Restart your device. For that, press and hold the power button and the volume up button together for about 10 seconds. Then drag the slider to the right side to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then press the power button to restart your device again. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs it.